Agile Scrum Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how Scrum platforms have evolved in 2025. Agile Scrum promises sales tracking, marketing automation and customer support tools, but is it really the right choice? The surprising truth is integration. Most people get this wrong by thinking Scrums are just for tracking contacts. Agile centralizes sales, marketing and service in one platform, making workflows smoother and more efficient. One major advantage is automation. You won't believe what happens next when you see automate follow-ups, email campaigns and appointment scheduling. Analytics dashboards provide insights into leads, conversions and customer engagement. Agile Scrum also supports third-party integrations with email, social media and e-commerce platforms. Security features include role-based permissions, data encryption and audit trails. However, there are cons. Some advanced features require premium plans and smaller teams may find setup and customization complex. Mobile functionality, while improving, may not match desktop capabilities. In conclusion, Agile Scrum in 2025 is ideal for businesses seeking an all-in-one Scrum solution. While premium costs and complexity are considerations, integration, automation, and robust analytics make it a valuable tool for sales and marketing efficiency.